Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a diagonal strike through to cells and sheets in your LibreOffice calculator document. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, there are two approaches to this. Option number one, you highlight the given cell or set of data, for example, like let me go with this column here or with that cell here. And option number one would be to right click into the given cell and select Format Cells from that menu, and here navigate to Font Effects, and next to Text Decoration you will see the Strike Through feature. Click into the drop-down menu and select one of these strike through types, like a single, vertical strike through, or you can go with, horizontal of course, or you can go with diagonal, this one here. You will see the preview below. Click into OK and it would look like this. Option number two would be to click into the cell or set of data, for example, and after that navigate to the table border settings here in the top right corner. From that drop-down menu, select one of these diagonal borders and it would look like this. So guys, that's the two options. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.